Dober dan, pozdravljeni v epizodi 9. In prejšnja epizoda, the previous episode, we learned the past tense, preteklik, in ednina. And you also heard a bit about one of the most important Slovenian poets, France Prešeren. Today, we are going to dive into the past tense in the dual, dvojina, and plural, množina. And at the end, you'll learn some new vocabulary about family, družina. Let's start with a short text in the dual, dvojina. Vsak dan sva vstala, jedla zajtrk in pila kavo. Potem sva šla v službo. Tam sva pisala e-maile in imela sestanke. Popoldne sva šla domov. Včasih sva kolesarila ali plavala. Zvečer sva jedla večerjo, brala knjigo in gledala televizijo. Spat sva šla pozno. If you were listening carefully, you heard the verb to be in the dual, sva, and the past participle ending in a, vstala, jedla, šla. This ending is used when we have two men or a mixed pair, a man and a woman. If the subjects are two women, the ending changes to I. For example, sva vstali, delali, šli. And now the text in plural, množina. Vsak dan so vstali, jedli zajtrk in pili kavo. Potem so šli v službo. Tam so pisali e-maile in imeli sestanke. Popoldne so šli domov. Včasih so kolesarili ali plavali. Zvečer so jedli večerjo, brali knjigo in gledali televizijo. Spat so šli pozno. Here we use the verb to be so, because it's plural, and the participle ends in I. This form is used for 3 or more men or a mixed group. If the group consists only of women, the ending changes to I. For example, so vstale, jedle, pile. On my Instagram, I'll post some exercises so you can practice preteklik in dvojina and množina. By now, you're almost ready to write short stories about what happened in your past. Now let's move to družina, a family. December is here, and I think this time of the year is perfect for talking about family. So let's learn some basic Slovene vocabulary about družina. Imam mamo, očeta, sestro in brata. Moj oče je učitelj, mama pa dela kot kuharica. Babica in dedek sta že upokojena. Imam tudi strica in teto, pa še 2 sestrični in enega bratranca. Babica in dedek imata skupaj 4 vnukinje in 2 vnuka. Jaz pa imam svojega moža, hčerko in sina. Skupaj smo velika vesela družina in zelo se imamo radi. Let's go through some family members from the text in the nominative case. Mama, mother. Oče, father. Sestra, sister. Brat, brother. Babica, grandmother. Dedek, grandfather. Stric, uncle. teta, aunt. Sestrična, female cousin. Bratranec, male cousin. Vnukinja, granddaughter. Vnuk, grandson. Mož, husband. Hčerka, daughter. Sin, son. And žena, wife. Do you know any other family members in Slovene? Let me know on Instagram. What have we learned today? Kaj smo se danes naučili? Today you learned preteklik in dvojina, the dual past tense. We need to use the verb to be, sva, sta, sta, and participle endings, a for two men or mixed pair, I for two women. Preteklik in množina, the plural past tense. We need to use the verb to be, smo, ste, so, and participle endings, I for a group of men or mixed group, and I for a group of women, and vocabulary for družina. You learned words like mama, oče, sestra, brat, babica, dedek, stric, teta, and many more. To je to za danes. That's it for today's episode. Hvala for listening in se vidimo!